Steeling herself to confront those who killed her little sister, Jade Struhs finally getting the chance to detail to the Supreme Court her anger and heartbreak at losing 8-year-old Elizabeth. The type 1 diabetic died at her Toowoomba home in 2022 after insulin was withdrawn. Her parents and 12 other members of a fringe religious group did not seek medical help, instead believing God would heal her.
We took her off the medication and waited for God to do his work.
Last month, the Supreme Court judge found all 14 guilty of manslaughter. During today's sentencing hearing, Jade Struhs, who left the family home at age 16, gave a moving victim impact statement, saying Elizabeth died because the people who were supposed to take care of her didn't. Turning to face the group, she said, "I see what you are and what you have done. Your religious narrative cannot hide the unforgivable and irreversible impact you have made on my family." And to her parents, "You have a lot to answer for. You were led astray off the righteous path by the very man who convinced you he had the true answer." The prosecution argued the religious group arrogantly and stubbornly allowed their faith to willfully blind them of the consequences, putting their love of God above the life of a young child. Both of Elizabeth's parents had previously pleaded guilty to failing to provide her the necessaries of life in 2019. The prosecution submitted there were varying levels of culpability for each offender based on their role in Elizabeth's death. They argued the harshest penalties should be for Elizabeth's parents, Jason and Kerry Struhs, submitting they should receive a 15-year sentence. They said the leader of the congregation, Brendan Stevens, should get 12 years and the rest of the group 7 to 8 years. They will learn their fate when the judge delivers their sentences at a later date. Kate McKenna, ABC News, Brisbane.